A day. A good day. A cold day. A week. There are 7 days in 1 week. Have a bad week at work. A month. There are 30 days in a month. A short month. A gym. Go to the gym. At the gym. A swimming pool. Go to the swimming pool. At the swimming pool. A mountain. Go to the mountains. Walk in the mountains. We wash the dishes every day. He goes to the gym every weekend. They go to the mountains every year. I go to the swimming pool every week. Once a week. Twice a week. 3 times a week. Many times a week. Every week. They go to the mountains twice a year. Our workers go to the gym 4 times a month. Her husband swims in this swimming pool 3 times a week. My brother rides a bike with his friends once a week. She sings here twice a day. How often do you go to the beach? We go to the beach every weekend. How often does he speak to them? He speaks to them every morning. How often do they work in the office? They work in the office 4 days a week. How often does his family go to the mountains? His family goes to the mountains 3 times a year. How often do you go to the gym? I go to the gym once a month. How often does he play the piano? He plays the piano twice a day. How often does she go to the gym? She goes to the gym 3 times a week. How often do you walk in the mountains? I walk in the mountains every weekend. How often do they buy food there? They buy food there once a month. How often do they go to the mountains? They go to the mountains once a year. How often does her boyfriend go to the gym? Her boyfriend goes to the gym every weekend. How often do you make pizza for your family? I make pizza for my family 3 times a month. How often does he take empty dishes to the kitchen? He takes empty dishes to the kitchen twice a day.